Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. In order to turn on your laptop, you simply have to short press the power button, which is located in the top right corner of your keyboard. Usually you would see the backlight of your keys unless it's switched off on your computer after pressing this button, and then just wait until your device is turned on. If it's not happening, that's most probably because your device is discharged and you have to plug in the charging cable into one of the USB Type-C ports on the left edge of your laptop, and then let it charge for a little while, and then repeat the process once again by short pressing the power button of your device. And so that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.